the equation 3, x yaon 4, x equals 5. X is presented as a Math-olympiad problem. The objective is to determine all real values of x that satisfy the given exponential equation. The problem involves finding the real number solutions to the exponential equation 3x jiaon 4 x equals 5x. The process involves testing small integer values of x to find a solution to the equation. Testing x equals 0 yields 3, 0 yaon, 4, 0 equals 1, yaon, 1 equals 2, which is not equal to 5, 0 equals 1. Testing x equals 1 yields 3, 1 yaon, 4, 1 equals 3 yaon, 4 equals 7, which is not equal to 5, 1 equals 5. Testing x equals 2 yields 3, 2 yaon, 4, 2 equals 9, yaon, 16 equals 25, which is equal to 5, 2 equals 25. Therefore, x equals 2 is a solution to the equation 3. X jiaoni 4, x equals 5, x. Further investigation is needed to determine if other solutions exist. The functions x equals 3, x jiaon 4, x and g, x equals 5, x are visualized graphically to solve the equation. The intersection point of fx and gx at x equals 2 indicates the solution to the equation. Key points at x equals 0 and x equals 2 are highlighted to demonstrate the function's behavior. The growth rates of fx and gx are compared to illustrate the solution's uniqueness. Dividing both sides of the equation by 5, x transforms the original equation. The transformed equation simplifies the equation for further analysis. Assigning variables a and b to the fractions 3, 5, and 4, 5 respectively leads to a, x jiaon b, x equals 1. A new function hx equals a, x jiaon b, x 1 is defined to determine its roots. The values of hx are calculated at specific points: x equals 0, x equals 2, and x equals 3. The derivative of hx is hx line aa x jiaon line bbx. The function hx is strictly decreasing. Hx is strictly decreasing. Hx crosses 0 only at x equals 2. Therefore, x equals 2 is the only real solution to the equation. The solution to the equation is x equals 2. This box solution represents the final, simplified answer. Viewers are encouraged to explore if there are any complex solutions to the equation. The video concludes with a thank you message to the viewers. Viewers are encouraged to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math challenges. This outro reinforces community engagement and encourages continued learning.